Viewers, welcome back. Today, let me show you a quick way to save your Excel sheet as a PDF. In your Excel sheet, select the area you want to save as a PDF. It is a good idea to select from the bottom upwards, so you don't miss any of your data. After selecting the area, click File. Then, click Print. Under the printer options, select Microsoft Print to PDF. Next, under Settings, select Print Selection. Under Page Orientation, choose either Portrait or Landscape, depending on your sheet. For this tutorial, I'll use Landscape. Next, change the paper size to A4. Under Scaling, select Fit all columns on one page. Now, move your cursor over the preview, and scroll through the pages to make sure everything looks correct. If everything looks good, click Print. Give your PDF a file name, and choose where you want to save it. Then, click Save. Now, let's open the saved Excel to PDF file. And that's it. You have successfully saved your Excel sheet as a PDF. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials.